guys, so today I am gonna show you around this place because I am moving houses tomorrow and this will be my last chance to do it because I have work later tonight and then work early tomorrow morning and then I have volleyball straight after, so I won't have time tomorrow to video. So yeah, so this is the place. This was the entrance, the door. My bags are here because I've packed everything for tomorrow. Just a cupboard, another cupboard with stuff. And this is the kitchen. It's a bit messy right now. I just have stuff that I'm defrosting. But yeah, that's my sister right there. She's moving back to New Zealand tomorrow. The dining table. This is just a lounge. No one has ever turned that TV on, so we don't really know if it works or not. We just all watch Netflix or something. This is the second bedroom where two of my other housemates were in, but they've moved out already. And show you guys. This is the fridge. It's like really empty now. I'm not sure whose these are. That's my one. And yeah, it's just cupboards empty now. This is where like the washing machine and the dryer is. And this is our bathroom. This looks like this. So this was our bedroom. I don't have that many clothes there anymore because I only have today, some shoes left, a bag up there, that don't have that many stuff left. Still have another bag to pack. This is my sister's bag and that's her desk. Look how messy her side of the room is. And then this is my side of the room. But I'm already almost packed. And yeah. I'm gonna take you guys outside. So you can see that is our view. Ta-da! Hello, Brisbane City. So yeah, I'll be leaving this place tomorrow. QT there. I'll be moving somewhere over that way. But yeah. So this was actually the other bedroom. There used to be a bed here. And there's those two beds. They have their closets and they had their own bathroom and then a second closet. But yeah. 5 days I think since I moved in here, and I still haven't like organized my stuff. You can see me there. So I'm gonna organize it, like I'm gonna try and finish it today. So yeah. So I bought more hangers from Target, and then I found these organizing things at Kmart, and I got to buy it yesterday because they didn't have it in Big W or Target in the city, so I had to go to Indoor to buy them, to Kmart. And I'm just gonna organize my closet. Pretty much finished organizing my stuff. That's clean, washing, food, everything on there. I have all of that. Snacks. Some other stuff for uni. And then I just have undergarments, bags, makeup, face kind of things, more toiletries, whole thing full of food. There's some shoes there, my bag, my dresses here, my long things. Don't know where to put that yet. And that's just my clothes for now, because that whole thing still need to wash. And I still need to buy hangers for these. So yeah.